So I'm cleaning this engine block up. This is a home rebuild. Pontiac 400, 1972. Or 74, I'm sorry. And so far I cleaned the block up and deglazed all the cylinders, and then I ran a flex hone in them all. It's probably the only power tool I'll use. I won't use no sanders or nothing on it to clean the deck off. I'll use my hand and sandpaper. 320, 220, 180, and then get it real smooth. Sometimes power tools is not always the right tool to use when you're doing a home rebuild, because you can make a gouge or anything. So piece of wood, sandpaper, wrap the sandpaper around the wood, get it all cleaned up. You want to make sure you clean up where your freeze plugs go, so they'll, you want to make sure they seal real good. But yeah, I'm gonna be working on this. I don't know how long. I'm not in no rush. That's just it. I'm gonna buy a new set of pistons and put in it, and a nice cam, an intake, and the rest is we will see as I go. I've been cleaning up the crank. It's all in specs. I think the engine only had, when I bought it, it only had like 80,000 miles on it. Came out of a 74 Le Mans. I bought this engine like 25 years ago, and I took it apart and just stored it in the corner of the garage and greased it down and let the crank stand up. But I got a car to put it in, so I won't have to look for no engine. I'll just rebuild this one. So the engine didn't smoke, tick, or knock, but it just missed real bad. My buddy worked at a salvage yard, and I got the engine, and I didn't even start it up. I just went and tore it down, and I seen why it was missing real bad. One of the exhaust valves had a piece of pie shape out of it, so I'm sure that was it. So I'm not gonna worry about that. I got the heads cleaning in a sitting tank right now, all disassembled, sitting in CitraClean. So just cleaning it up, getting it ready. Costs no money to clean it up. What? Kerosene and Dawn. That's about it. That's all I'm using to clean it up. So, and cleaned all the oil galleys out and took all the plugs out and cleaned those up too. So, subscribe to my page. I'm gonna keep you posted every time I do something. Thanks a lot.